I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 9 of your class 5 English, that English grammar, that is adjectives. Adjectives क्या होते हैं? They are called the describing words. So adjectives are describing words that tell us more about person, animal, place or thing. So ये क्या है? हमारे describing words होते हैं जो हमें किसके बारे में बताते हैं? Persons के बारे में बताते हैं, animals के बारे में बताते हैं, places के और चीजों के बारे में बताते हैं. Now read the sentences given below. Priya lives in a big house. Priya कैसे घर में रहती है? बड़े घर में रहती है, big house में रहती है. The hand has 5 fingers. हाथ में कितनी होती है? 5 fingers होती है. So big और 5 क्या हो गए आपके? Adjectives हो गए. Mother wore a red साड़ी. Mother ने कैसी साड़ी पहनी? Red साड़ी पहनी. वो साड़ी को describe कर रहा है ना किस कलर की है? So red is your adjective. Now in sentence 1, big, tell us more about the type of house. In sentence 2, 5, tell us about the number of finger. And in sentence 3, red, tell us about the color of the sari. So adjectives are big, 5, red, beautiful and blue are describing words. ये क्या है हमारे describing words है? Adjectives are usually placed before the noun. They describe. उससे पहले placed होता है जिस उस noun के पहले जिसको वो describe कर रहे होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, ही इज एन ऑनेस्ट मैन. कैसा मैन है वो? ऑनेस्ट मैन है. नाउन, मैन क्या है आपका? नाउन है. ऑनेस्ट क्या है आपका? एडजेक्टिव है. नाउ समटाइम्स एडजेक्टिव्स कैन बी प्लेस्ड आफ्टर अ नाउन. एडजेक्टिव का प्लेस्ड होता है, नाउन के बाद प्लेस्ड होता है. द बॉक्स इज हैवी. हैवी क्या है आपका? एडजेक्टिव है. बॉक्स क्या है आपका? नाउ द टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. एडजेक्टिव्स कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू फॉलोइंग टाइप. फर्स्ट वन इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी दैट टेल अस अबाउट द काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन. Adjective of quantity, tell us about the quantity of noun, कि हमारी noun कितनी quantity में है. Adjective of number, tell us about the adjective of noun. Tell us about the number of noun, कि कितने number में हमारे nouns. Now demonstrative adjective, point out the nouns. ये क्या करते हैं? Point out करते हैं nouns को. Interrogative adjectives, ask questions. And possessive adjectives show possession, वो possession दिखाते हैं. Now let's talk about adjectives of quality. Adjectives which describe the quality of a particular noun. जो describe करते हैं quality किसकी? एक particular noun की. और tell what kind of person or thing is are called adjectives of quality. ये दिखाते हैं कि किस kind की person या कोई चीज है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? हम adjectives of quality कहते हैं. Now read the examples given below. First one, Mumbai is a big city. मुंबई कैसी है आपकी? Big city है. Gold is a precious metal. Gold क्या है आपका? Precious metal है. तो big और precious उसकी quality को दिखा रहे हैं. So it is the adjective of quality. Now the word big and precious are adjectives since they are used about the city and the metal. So big and precious are adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quantity क्या होता है? कि हमारी adjective noun कितनी quantity में है. Now an adjective of quantity is an adjective that tell us about the quantity of a thing. ये हमें बताते हैं कि कितनी quantity है किसी एक चीज की. Example, some and of many much. So many people came to visit the fair. बहुत सारे people आए fair को देखने के लिए. So I have enough time to meet my relatives. मेरे पास बहुत time है अपने relatives से मिलने के लिए. The word many and enough are adjectives since they are used. They tell us about the noun. किसके बारे में बताता है? हमें noun के बारे में बताता है. People, time, many, how many people visited fair, and the word enough tell us how much time I have. These adjectives are called adjectives of quantity. In adjectives को क्या कहते हैं? हम adjectives of quantity कहते हैं कि कितनी चीजें हैं हमारे पास. Now let's talk about adjectives of number. So an adjective of number is an adjective that tells us about the number of person, things or animal. हमें बताता है कि ये हमें exact numbers में बताता है. ये quantity किस में बताती थी? Many, enough, how much. और ये हमें किस में बताता है? Adjective of numbers में बताते हैं. Like it's the answer question. It answers the questions how many. वो किस question को answer करते हैं कि कितने हैं. Now read the examples given below. All the students are present in the class today. सारे students present है class में आज. Rahul has bought 5 pens. 5 और all क्या हो गए आपके? Adjectives of number हो गए. The words all and 5 are adjectives since they describe the noun students and mangoes respectively. All tell us about how many students are present in the class, and 5 tell us about how many mangoes आर देयर इन द बास्केट। ये हमें बता देंगे कितने मैंगोज है बास्केट में। All and 5 are adjectives of number. All और 5 क्या हो गए आपके adjectives of number हो गए। More about adjectives of number and adjectives of quantity. Adjectives like first, second and third are called ordinal adjectives. जो adjectives होते हैं हमारे first हो गया, second हो गया और third हो गया, वो क्या होते हैं हमारे ordinal adjectives होते हैं। They show the order in which a person or thing stands. हमें order बता दे कि किसमें एक person और thing stand करता है। They are also adjective of number. इनको क्या कहते हैं? adjective of number भी कहते हैं। Depending upon their use, some adjectives can be used as both, like adjectives of quantity and adjectives of. Depending upon their use, some adjectives can be used as both, adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Read the examples given below. I want some food. There are some children in the park. In the first sentence, some answers the question how much food, and so in adjectives of quantity. In second sentence, some answers the how many children. So it is the adjective of number. So little and few, both little and few convey the same idea. Little और few दोनों idea दिखाती है हमारे like, but little is an adjective of quantity, whereas few is adjective of number. Little क्या हो गया? Adjective of quantity हो गया और few हो गया आपका adjective of number. Little is used uncountable nouns and few is used with countable nouns. Example: little time, little work. Time and work are uncountable, and few people, few people and chairs are countables. Now a little and a few. The expressions a little and a few means some. इसका क्या मतलब होता है कि कुछ. So if a noun is in singular, we use little. अगर noun आपको singular में तो हम क्या use करते हैं? Little को use करते हैं. Example: a little money. If a noun is in plural, we use a few. अगर noun आपको plural में हम use करते हैं. Examples: a few friends. Much and many also convey the same idea. Much और many क्या करता है? Convey करता है same idea. Much is an adjective of quantity and many is an adjective of number. Much क्या adjective of quantity हो गया और many क्या हो गया आपका? Adjective of number हो गया. Read the examples given below. We had so much fun last night. हमें बहुत मजा आया last night. Much आ गया. There are many toys in the box. बहुत toy box में बहुत सारे toys है. So now let's talk about demonstrative adjectives. So adjective which are used to point out naming words. वो क्या करते हैं? Point out करते हैं naming words को. उनको क्या कहते हैं? adjective of the उसमें हम कहते हैं demonstrative adjectives. It answers the questions which one. ये answer करते हैं which one है like this one, that one, those one. So this, that, these, those are demonstrative adjectives. For example, read the examples given below. This cup is very hot. ये जो cup है बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है. It tell us which cup. कौन सा cup? This cup. So this क्या हो गया आपका? Demonstrative adjective होगा. Demonstrate कर रहा है किसी चीज को. That is my watch. It tell us which watch. कौन सी watch? So that is my watch. वो वाली है मेरी watch. तो ये demonstrate कर रहा है किसी object को. So this, the word, this, that are adjectives says they describe cup and watch. वो क्या describe कर रहा है? Cup और watch को describe कर रहे हैं. Respectively, the word this point out which cup is hot and the word that point out which watch is mine. So this and that are demonstrative adjectives. This और that क्या हो गया आपके? Demonstrative adjectives हो गए. This and that are used with singular noun. Those are used with plural nouns. These are used to indicate persons and things which are near. Indicate करते हैं कि person और thing जो हमारे पास है. और that और those are used to indicate person or thing which are far away. जो चीज हमसे दूर है. That हम किसके लिए use करते हैं? Plural के लिए, singular के लिए. Those हम करते हैं plural के लिए use. Now interrogative adjectives क्या होते हैं? जिसमें हम questions put up करते हैं. Interrogative adjectives are adjectives which ask a question. वो questions ask करते हैं. Like read the examples given below. Which team got the highest point? किस team को highest points मिले? What animal is that? Whose car is this? So the word which, what and whose are adjectives and they describe team, animal and car. So now let's talk about possessive adjectives. Adjectives that show possession of belonging and जो ownership दिखाते हैं उनको क्या कहते हैं? हम possessive adjectives कहते हैं. It answers the question whose, कि ये चीज किसकी है. So his, her, our and your are possessive adjectives. My pen is red. मेरा pen red है. My क्या हो गया? Possessive adjective हो गया. It tells us whose pen. That is your car. It tells us whose car. तो your car क्या हो गया आपका? Possessive हो गया. Possessive adjective हो गया. My and your are adjective. My tell us that the pen belongs to me, and your tell us that the car belongs to you. कार किससे belong करती है? तुमसे belong करती है. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a grateful day.